ባላችሁበት የጌታ ሰላም ይብዛላችሁ። ዛሬ በጣም ወሳኝና አስፈላጊ ለሚድ ፈተናችሁ የሚያዘጋጃችሁ ግሬድ 12 ዩኒት 3 ሰስቴናብል ዴቨሎፕመንት ከሚለው ርዕስ 9 ጥያቄዎችን ይዤላችሁ ቀርቤያለሁ። እናንተም ከኔ ጋራ በማጥናት ለሚድ ፈተናችሁ እንድትዘጋጁ ከወዲሁ ጋብዛችኋለሁ። akkam jirtu barattoota nagaa keessanii iddoo jirtan hundumatti nageenyi waaqayyo isin wajjin haa ta'u. Har'a barnoota ji'oogiraafii kutaa 12ffaa boqonnaa 3 sustainable development jedhu jala gaaffii baay'ee barbaachisaa fi isin beekuu qabdan qormaata miidii irrattis ni dhufa jedhamee amanamu gaaffii 9 isiniif qabadhee dhiyaadheera. Isinis ana waliin qayyabachuudhaan qormaata keessaniidhaaf gamanumaan akka qophii gootan isin affeera.
Question number 1. The social dimension of sustainable development focuses on A. Governance-related provision, B. Maintaining a stable resource base, C. Avoiding overexploitation of non-renewable resources, D. Avoidance of extreme sectoral imbalance. Social dimension of sustainable development imarat xiyyeeffata. The answer is A. Governance-related provision, like that of equity on distribution of resources.
Question number 2. Which one of the following is an indicator of good governance of natural resource? A. Discriminatory policies. B. Laws that marginalize specific groups. C. Unequal distribution of benefits. D. Public participation and transparency. Maloota bulchiinsa gaarii kan ta'e isa kamidhaadha? የመልካም አስተዳደር ማሳያ የሆነው የቱ ነው? ኢፍቶሚናን ኡመተ hirmaachisu. Correct answer is D. Question number 3. Which one of the following is different from the others? kanneen armaan gaditti eeraman keessaa adda kan ta'e isa kami? ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት ልዩ የሆነው የቱ ነው? A. water, B. coal, C. natural vegetation, D. soil. adda kan ta'e ኮሊድ dhagaጭሌ የተለየው የከሰል ድንጋይ ነው። ሌሎቹ ታዳሽ ኃይሎች ናቸው። ቀቤኝ ኡመማ haaromfamuu danda'anidha. dhagaan cilee garuu qabeenya haaromfamuu hin dandeenyedha. non renewable natural resource ta'aa jechuudha. So water resource, natural vegetation and the soils are renewable resource which replenish themselves, while coal is not replenish itself. So the correct answer is B. Question number 4. The concept of sustainable development was published by which report? A. The Kyoto Protocol. B. The Brundtland Report, which is known as Our Common Future. C. The Paris Agreement. D. The Rio Declaration. Yaaddamni sustainable development jedhu yeroo jalqabaadhaaf kan inni uummatatti ifaan ba'e walga'ii Brundtland Report irrattidha. bara 1987 sustainable development ይፋ የተደረገው በ1987 በብሩንትላንድ ኮንፈረንስ ነው። ለዚህ ትክክለኛ መልስ የሚሆነው ቢ ነው። Question number 5. Which conference introduced the term eco-development? A. Earth Summit 1992. B. Stockholm Conference 1972. C. Nairobi Conference 1987. D. Johannesburg Summit 2002. The conference introduced the term eco-development is Stockholm Conference in 1972. So the correct answer is B. Question number 6. What are the 3 dimensions or pillars of sustainable development? A. Economic, social, environmental. B. Economic, industrial, environmental. C. Environmental, cultural, educational. D. Political, social, technological. The 3 pillars of sustainable development are economical, social, and environmental. So
The correct answer is A. Question number 7. What key principle is highlighted in Principle 1 of Agenda 21 from the Earth Summit 1992? A. Preservation of biodiversity. B. Equal distribution of natural resources. C. Human beings are entitled to a healthy and a productive life in harmony with nature. D. Reducing greenhouse gas emission. The key principle which is highlighted in Principle 1 of Agenda 21 is that declares human beings are entitled to a healthy and a productive life in harmony with nature. So the correct answer is C. Question number 8. What are the Sustainable Development Goals designed to address? A. Reducing global greenhouse gas emission. B. Ending poverty, protecting the planet, and encouraging peace and prosperity. C. Promoting cultural exchange program. D. Encouraging privatization of public services. The main objective of the Sustainable Development Goal is to end poverty, protecting the planet, and ensuring peace. The correct answer is B. Question number 9. What does the nested rings approach to sustainable development emphasize? Qubelaan sustainable development approach maal ibsa? የsustainable development ቀለበት ምንን ያመላክታል? A. The separation of economic, social, and environmental dimensions. B. The independence of each sustainability pillars. C. The economy's dependence on society and the environment. D. The focus on technological advancements alone. Or the next ring of diagram prepared for indicating the sustainable development is used to emphasize the economy's dependence on society and the environment. So the correct answer is C. Question number 10. According to the Brundtland Commission, sustainable development is defined as A. Development that prioritizes economic growth over environment sustainability. B. Development that meets present needs without compromising future generations' ability to meet their needs. C. Development focused solely on poverty alleviation. D. Development that focuses on resource extraction for immediate economic benefits. According to the Brundtland Commission, sustainable development is defined as the development that meets the present needs of generation without compromising the future generations' ability to meet their needs. The correct answer is B.
chaanaalii keessan Geolesson 17 tiዩbii waan daawwattaniif galatooma. Geolesson 17 ቲዩብ ቻናላችሁን ስለጎበኛችሁ አመሰግናለሁ። Geolesson 17 ቲዩብ ቻናሊ milkoomina egeree dhalootaaf dhimmu